How to create rules in Asana 2025. In this video, we're going to be talking about Asana and how you're going to be creating rules for yourself in the easiest and most simplest way. So, first of all, what you're going to do is you're going to make sure to check the link down in the description below to make sure that you have fully accessibility to Asana. Now, once you've done that, what we're going to do from here is to create rules. What you're going to do is you're going to come over to customize. Once you go over to customize, you're going to click on rules over here and you're going to click on add. Now, once you click on add, there's tons and tons of rules over here to add. So task is added to this project, add collaborator, etc. So let's say I'm going to choose this as my rule, right? When a task is added to this project, do this. So add collaborators. Let's say I'm going to specify a collaborator over here as myself. Okay. So I'm going to add John Doe. And once we've done that, let's go over to this section and let's add a task. Okay. So I'm going to add this task over here. I'm going to click on enter. And now you're going to see the assignee has been added. So that is basically how easy and simple it is to create rules in Asana. Do make sure to check the link down in the description below to do these for yourself as well. And that is all from me. So thank you for watching till the end. And I'm going to be seeing all of you in the next video. Have a great day. Goodbye.